Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we gonna see the major forex pair where they gonna work, and we can see here. Okay guys, also you can check out my telegram channel also. I have there posted some of the nicest ideas guys. There you have got the jackpot also guys. So we gonna see the major forex pair euro versus USD guys. Here I am seeing the one of the major trend line is like this. Okay guys, this is the major trend line, and this is the one of the major supporting areas. It is acting like now. Okay guys, and somewhere here also you can see here, this is also looking like a trend line. Okay guys, this is at a triangle pattern. So if it gonna came back once again somewhere here, take somewhere support, then it will break, then you can expect your first target, second, third, fourth, even fifth target. Big target you can achieve in euro versus USD if this is consolidated and broke upside momentum. Okay guys, in downside momentum, if it will came take resistance from this trend line or take resistance from this box, then you can expect your first target will be somewhere here, second target, third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, you can also check out my telegram channel guys. I will post there some of the other also currency pair, so they gonna work, so they gonna gives you a very nice trades. Okay guys, somewhere here only we have discussed also, if this is the low broken, then only go for downside momentum. Okay guys, after this high is broken, you have taken your trade here, only continuously taking resistance you can see here. So that's why I have told you somewhere here also you can see that it will acting as a supporting area. Okay guys, I have told you this also, this is acting as a one of the major trend line. So I will just remove this, and I will just shift this line. Okay guys, so this is the right now it is in a very good momentum. So if it will broke, came take support somewhere here only at this portion only. Okay guys, at this portion only, then you can go for your first target. This will be the second, third, and fourth target. These are the four target in upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for downside momentum, our first target, our second target, our third, fourth, and final fifth target guys. These are the downside five target, GBP versus US dollar guys. Okay guys, we can see the next euro versus GBP guys. You can see here, in every forex pair, this week is only for consolidation phase. I am telling you guys, because this week is wholly make an only consolidation phase. You can see here guys, this will right now will act as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, I will just change it at a black. So just a second guys. Okay, okay, right now it's good. So this will be act as one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, if right now it will came downside and somewhere here only taken somewhere support, or somewhere here once again came, okay guys, then it's turning around. Then our first target will be here guys, second target, third, and fourth target is why I am telling you at this place only, because of you can see that taken resistance here also, support, resistance, came once again, support, acted as support, supporting zone, supporting zone. Like this it maybe came, then you can go for upside momentum. It also gives us very nice momentum. Okay guys, in downside also you can see that it will take resistance somewhere here. Our first target will be here, our second target will be very small, third, and this will be the fourth target is. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair, USD versus CAD. You can see here guys what I have told you. This week whole forex pairs are consolidation phase only. Okay guys, not made a very huge momentum, not made a any good momentum like that. Okay guys, so right now I'm seeing one of the trend line guys, somewhere here you can see like this somewhere. Okay guys, right now it has been tested. Okay guys, tested, right now it's coming downside momentum. Okay guys, what you have to do is that it gonna definitely came somewhere here. If this line is broken, then only go for your first target guys. This will be the your second target, third, and final fourth target guys. Okay guys, if once again came and take a resistance from here only, somewhere trend line. Then you can go for these target. If it will broke, okay guys, broke and came upside momentum, something like this, okay, take support somewhere here or broke this, then you can go for upside momentum, our first target, our second, third, and more you can go through it. Okay guys, so you can go through up till here. Okay guys, we can see next major forex USD versus CHF. You can see here I have told you if it will came once again somewhere here, but what happened? Consolidation, whole consolidation only happened. I am telling you, I am not taken any profit, any loss at this time, because this is at a consolidation phase. Okay guys, you have to switch at 5 minutes or something lower time frame, 15 minutes. At that time frame you can keep your SLA very small and make a very nice momentum. Okay guys, at frankly I made a very good money, but as compared to it is at a consolidation phase, so I have not made enough such a good money how the one-sided momentum has been came for us. Okay guys, right now you can see here guys, it is at a this place. Okay guys, so we will mark it as a major supporting area. Just a second. Okay guys, so right now what we can see is that if once again came downside, then it will take support. Our first target will be somewhere here, second target, and came once again and take support somewhere, our third target, our fourth target, our fifth target. Okay guys, you have to see that it has been a swing. So here seller are dominated. So once again also it may be happen that seller will came and take it downside momentum. Okay guys, if it will came downside, take a resistance. Our first target will be somewhere here, second and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three targets, and here are the some of the supporting areas I am seeing. So just see the flow and keep seeing the price action. Also I have made a price action video, go and check out there also guys. Okay guys, now we can see AUD versus US dollar. You can see here AUD versus US dollar. I have told you, if this is the broken, then you can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, otherwise it will came support. You can see that smallly made it, goes upside momentum, but consolidation, because of I have told you every forex pair has been done consolidation, this also goes on a consolidation phase only. Okay guys, so at this place I am seeing that the bar are so much dominance, so we can create one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, so what we have to do is that it has to break this level, then you can easily achieve your first target, second, up till third target. Okay guys, these are the three target. If this is broken, then it will came up till here, once again taking support our first target up till second target, you can go through it. Okay guys, if it has broken downside momentum, then you can expect from here up till take resistance, our first target, our second target, and this is the major supporting area. So you can expect that here only reversible came and goes upside or consolidate and close down here only this week. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is NSD versus US dollar. Okay guys, I have told you exactly that this line has been broken, then you can go for upside momentum. But I have told you this is the high. Okay, second time also came, means it is weaker, because it has to make a higher high. If it not making, then you have to exit somewhere here only. Okay guys, I am not seeing this, my SL has been triggered. After that I am seeing that what happened is that here somewhere fall is coming. I have told you fall will came if this trend line will broken. It came up till somewhere here only, but buyers are dominant here. You can see that. That's why here buyers are coming, sellers are coming. This is happening on. So I have just exited from here, and this green candle has been made green, and goes upside momentum. You can see here. That's why I have not taken any risk at this week guys. So somewhere here you can see here guys, this will act as major supporting areas. Not for the thing is that because of in consolidation phase, whenever it acted as a major supporting areas, they do not work as much as good as when trend is going on. Okay guys, right now if it wanted to go, then it has to broke this, and your first target will be somewhere here, second target. Okay guys, if it will take once again support, your third target, fourth and fifth target guys. These are the 5 target. Okay guys, if it will take a resistance, it will came up till here. Okay guys, it gonna make a upside momentum or first second target, first and second target. Okay guys, if it is coming downside, take a resistance, then you can expect your first, second, third and fourth target is. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is euro versus Japanese yen. You can see here right now it is in a consolidation phase. This is the one which we have got jackpot, because I have told you somewhere here only if it will broke, then exactly it has taken a support from our trend line. One sided momentum, I have told you, if once again came, it has to broke, otherwise you have to take your profit and exit. We have exited somewhere here only at this green candle, because I do not see the any momentum. Okay guys, at this place only we have exited. Right now it is coming at this place. If it will take resistance, our first target will be here, second target will be here guys. Okay guys, just a second. Okay, if once again it will came and take resistance, our third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the some of the targets. If once again it will came downside, take support somewhere here, our first target will be a second target, third, fourth and fifth. Big momentum also come if this area has been crossed, this area. Okay guys, because seller's dominance, if seller has been gone, then buyer will be, fresh buyer will came and take it upside momentum. Okay guys, this is the next major forex pair is AUD. I have told you exactly what that only happened guys. I have told you it has to broke this line. You can see that exactly, not closer any line, consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. However this is broken, you have to sell your or shorted this market. You can see that your SL will be here. You can see that consolidate, 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 came up till here. Okay guys, somewhere here only you have booked, or here only I have booked when consolidation or something I have seen. So I will book normally second target only up till 70 to 80%. It's up to you how you can go through it guys. So we have got a very nice momentum at this place. So what I am seeing right now is this is the one of the area where buyer are dominance, because of it has been sustained sideways market and it has taken a somewhere here. Okay guys, it has to cross this limit guys. Okay, just a second, it has to cross this limit, then you can go for your upside momentum is first target guys, second, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the 5 target which you have to see. Okay guys, we can see for downside momentum too guys, somewhere here only you can see here, somewhere here taken resistors or coming downside, our first target, second target, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the some of the target. We can see the GBP versus Japanese yen guys. Right now it is at a very nice supporting area. I will just shift this line so you can get it. Okay, right now it is at a very nice place, so I will not do anything. I will just shift these and also make a one of the major trend line what I am seeing here. So somewhere like this. Okay guys, so just a second guys, I will make okay, just let it be one. Also major trend line is here somewhere like this, so you can track down to both only. Okay guys, if this is the broken, then you can expect the huge momentum in upside. If this is broken and taken a exactly resistance, then you can go for downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair. Okay guys, right now all major forex pair we have discussed. If you like this video guys, go and like my channel and share with your friends and families. Any queries guys, please comment me down, so I will there for you to solve that problem. Please check out all the given information too guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.